Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to talk about price action. I want us to go back and check the meaning of price action and how does price action works. So today is a checker volatility 75 ukuthi isiphathele ini. Kulabanga subscribanga bangakhohlwa ukulike and basubscribe so that bazokhona ukuthi bathole yonke information. I guess check something qala la. Remember I once said a price ayahamba straight and it in a movement like this. Remember. So kule situation le, when as a trader, what is it that you have to understand? You have to understand ukuthi mayenza so what's gonna happen after. Once you understand layer part lay, you'll never go wrong. Because now look at this, the price angithi izala. When what is it that you have to do, Maxo? You wait with the price ifike la on this part. Once the price ifike la, you know that you have to sell. But you don't just sell, you have to wait and check ukuthi the price iyenzani mayifika la. Ama chance ukuthi idlule are very high, and you still have a chance yokuthi ubuy la. You still have a chance yokuthi you go to buy, yes, and you still have a chance to sell. This is how you trade. You wait and check ukuthi the price yenzani. Is it going up? Is it going down? Okay, fine. Yes, you can see now a price iyakhuphuka. Then what's gonna happen after? You wait for the pullback ukuthi kuzoretesta la ikhomba ukuthi you know what, siyadlula manje. Immediately it testa back, you put order yakho la, you put your stop loss below. If you according to your anticipation, you sell, you put your stop loss above. Okay, fine. Sikhiphe ngapha phezulu. Siqhubeke ngapha ezantsi ke. Alright, now let's say maybe boyilinde la waba busy nga something azanke uyithole immediately. Flip. Azanke uyithole immediately ifika lapha on time. Uyithola seyenze something like this. What is it that you have to do? You have to wait for the price ukuthi ibuye la, then you sell it. The reason for you to sell is this. This is a PCP, guys. It's a potential continuation pattern. Let's forget about the potential continuation pattern. There's more. Look what happened on your left. You understand? That is why on my previous videos I used to say always look on your left. Your left side is very much important compared to the future. Your left is controlling your right. If uzoyibambala ngaleyo ndlela, you'll never go wrong. Look at this. Forget about ukuthi PCP ifomeke kanjani ne. PCP ifomeke because of this. They know what's gonna happen after. So they're gonna create a PCP. There's a video ekhona engiyenzile mayelana ne price ne potential continuation pattern. You can go and check with the potential continuation pattern iyini. Then the price mayibuya izotesta le PCP izowenzani after this. What's gonna happen? Izobuyela phansi. Remember, I said look on your left. Izobuyela move. Look on your left. Mayisuka lapho izotesta this one. Izoyehla. You get it? Iphinde futhi. You go back on your left. Iphinde futhi. But that is not happening all the time, ne? It happens ukuthi ihambe straight. There's a reason for that. This is how a price move. Same applies my figure lines, and you have to check with iyadlula or iyajika. Okay, let's go live and see ukuthi kwenzakalani. Alright. let's go to 1 hour. Look at these guys, look at this. Remember, Tina sisebenzisa i-chart eli-clean. You don't just use indicators and everything, just use price action. That's the only way you trade according. Look at this now. We'll start analyzing ukuthi price yenzani. As you can see, the price is going down. When if you don't know how to trade, uzoyibona as if the price is going down and stuff. Meanwhile, the price is not actually going down, it is going back up. How do I know that? Look at this. What do I have here? I have a trend line. Oh wow, okay. How does a trend line work? Okay, fine. Look at this. If you recall within Kulumengani early, this is your PCP. What do you have here? You have two confirmations. You have a PCP, you have a trend line. This is even though a trend line is no longer valid. It was validated 2 times. Remember, it's first time, second time, third time you buy. Second is the 4th time ibuyile futhi yabuyiseka singaki ilana futhi ayibona. So now it's no longer valid, but because of the PCP it is valid. So as to say this one, okay, here we are again. If you just arrive on this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, I said we depend on our left. Look what happened here. Look at this. It happened. Look at this. It created 1, 2, 3. Forget about this one. We are looking on our left. Look at this. Our left is very important. Our left is controlling our right, guys. Keep that in mind. Okay, what else can we check? Let me remove everything again. Flip. If you can give yourself time to learn price action and understand which price action is sebenza kanjani, you will never go wrong. And to know price action, you don't need ukuthi wazi usebenza ama indicator wenze ini nan. Price action is the simplest, guys. Once you understand the price action, everything's gonna be simple, believe me. You okay, we are here now. Look at this, but this one is not even important. It's just a pullback. It's the pullback. You can see the price was going up, create some pullback until easy figure. What happened? So guys, we have so many confirmations of the price ihamba kanjani. Even if you go and check on your left, you will see what I'm talking about. Our left hand side is very much important, guys. Let's not forget that, because whatever that you do, even if you drive and always check on your left. Even you cross a street, you always check on your left. Make it your priority that you depend on your left. Once you understand how your left works, you will never go wrong in Forex. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you on my next video.